Hello, artsy friends. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my impressions of this portable metallic watercolor set. It's a little tiny mini set. It's Masterson's Touch, so it's from Hobby Lobby, and it was given to me by a dear friend at Christmas time. Now, when you have metallic or shimmer watercolors, I find that they look terrific usually on a black paper. So this is the Legion Stonehenge Aqua Cold Press Black Paper. So it is black watercolor paper, and I'm going to be putting them on there. However, first I'm going to use the Painter's Color Diary for watercolors, which is a 100% cotton paper, and I'm going to swatch in the diary, and then we're going to see if we can do a project on the dark cold press aqua paper. These two pieces have little magnets on them. So the magnets here help to hold it together like that. And the magnets here are so that we can put it together like this. And then if you want to clip it into your book, you just use a clip, a binder clip like this. And you can binder clip that right into your book. So these are the paints, and this is an area to color mix. Now, what I'm going to do is start with the Painter's Color Diary. Let's find ourselves a blank page. And let's go ahead and swatch these. Here we go. After swatching them, I wrote down the colors. So we have white, yellow, gold, bronze, copper, red ochre. I really like this red ochre. The purple is just divine. The purple, what can I say? Light pink, light orange, orange red, pink, blue, light green, hooker's green, and black. So let's go ahead and get started with a project on this beautiful aqua press black watercolor paper. Wow, I really enjoyed painting with these shimmer watercolors on this black paper. Fabulous. And my favorite colors from this set were the bronze, the red ochre, the purple, and I found that I needed to add some of the dark green in with the light green. Now I did have to go over some of these colors more than once in order to get them nice and thick, but look at the beautiful, the shimmer on that is just gorgeous. I hope you'll pick up some black watercolor paper and some shimmer watercolors and give it a try. And I also hope you'll like and subscribe.